to my channel. I'm Manika Beverly. Today I will be doing an unboxing for you, but first, if you love all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, you're definitely in the right place, so make sure you subscribe. And if you are subscribed already, thank you so much. I can definitely tell that we're growing here and you guys are enjoying the content, so I really appreciate that. We have a lot more content coming up, a few more hauls. I don't know why I've been shopping, because honey, I have nowhere to go. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. I'm gonna give you a moment so you guys can hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, are you subscribed? Great, perfect. We're doing my first unboxing here on YouTube. I've never done an unboxing before. It's not my first bag, but it's my first unboxing here on YouTube. So I'm really excited to share my most recent purchase and my most recent addition to my collection with you guys. And if you watched my last Vlogmas video, you actually already saw me pick this up. So make sure you guys check that out if you want to see the behind the scenes action. And if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow. If you're not following already, you actually saw a sneak peek of the bag of me trying it on in like my little holiday reel. Thumbs up if you like these videos. That's how I'll know if you want to see more unboxing and stuff like this. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into, I want to say the haul because that's what we mostly do here, but no, let's get into this unboxing. Let's do that, okay? Yeah. So this is her, this is the bag. A little background on me. I had a little purse collection when I was little. For Sundays for church, I got to pick out like my dress and I got to pick out my purse. And that's how I got started with bags. I was like 2, 3, 4. My favorite purse was the little one with hearts on it. Obsessed. Anyway, so, and then in high school I worked, but I got to spend my money on myself, which was really fun and exciting and taught me a lot of responsibility, and it was so rewarding to buy yourself something. So I spent my money on shoes, bags, and clothes. So my first purse was a brown little Coach purse. It's probably still at home somewhere. And then I also had 2 Dooney & Bourke purses. Girl, I thought I was doing something, okay, but I was cute. All right, so that was like my introduction into the luxury world. And then from there on, you know, I've definitely moved on to the higher end of the spectrum, which is nice. I just want to like give you that little background on how I kind of first got into luxury. Usually you just get a purse for Christmas, Valentine's Day, birthday. I just get a purse. That's all I want. That's all I always want. I'm into like shoes, but more purses. I just want a purse. Like shoes, I feel like you wear, you stomp on them, like you're gonna mess them up. Like, you know what I mean? But purses, you can pretty much take care of them. You can rotate them. I mean, I'm slowly but surely getting into like shoes, but my thing from a young age has always been purses. However, this is the first year I didn't really know what I wanted for Christmas. Last year, I got one of my dream purses. And then I also got engaged this year and we went on a beautiful vacation. So I honestly didn't want my fiance to break the bank. We're also trying to get married and stuff like that. So this was the first year I did not know what I wanted. And I usually always know what I want. Like I'll send him pictures, I'll send him links. Like honestly, I was telling him I don't want anything, I'm good. Like, oh yeah, and I got like a really nice purse for Valentine's Day last year. So I'm like, I was good. I didn't want anything. But he was not going for that. So get you a man who's not going for that, because he wasn't going for that. So in one of my Vlogmas videos, the second one I'm buying the purse, so maybe it was the first one, we went out to enjoy the holidays and do like holiday related stuff, but he also wanted me to, you know, just browse. So we go into the Gucci store and I fell in love with this bag. I fell in love with it. Nothing like anything I had in my collection. I feel like I'm rambling, so I just wanted to give you guys a little background. Let's get into this unboxing. Honestly, like I was saying, I didn't know what I wanted for Christmas. This was the first year I never knew what I wanted. I guess here's the little receipt. Sorry if the light is fluctuating. I chose to film at like the weirdest time of the day. This is the Gucci Horsebit 1955 Wallet with Chain bag. I like to call it WOC, Wallet on Chain bag. So this is the box. I absolutely love her. Isn't she so cute? Oh my gosh, my first unboxing on camera. I'm just excited. I like to get all my bags in person. It feels a lot more special. You get the full luxury experience. I'm afraid to order bags online because I don't want it to get stolen. She is cute, so that's what it looks like. She's in her dust bag. You just get the full experience when you get it in person. Like, it feels a lot more special. You really get to see all the other bags. You get to try it on in the store. Someone's helping you and waiting on you. It just is like a wonderful experience. It just adds to the value and the authenticity of the bag, in my opinion. I've only ever purchased one bag online, and that's because it was first quarantine. The only way you can get into the store was by appointment only. I wanted this particular bag by my birthday, so I went ahead and ordered it on Saks. But what I will say is it came very discreetly. Everything worked out. But other than that, I just love getting my bags in person. So this is her. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. So that was the dust bag that she comes in. Really pretty. She is all wrapped up. Here we are. And oh, I guess the chain's not all the way attached yet. Freaking cute, you guys. So this is the Gigi Supreme canvas and white leather. So I'll go ahead and link everything below, and everything will be in the description. I just fell in love with this bag. Like I said, I first saw it with the brown leather trim. I went online just to check it out, and I saw that they had a variety of colors. They have it without the monogram. They have it just plain, which looks really cute. I feel like I might end up getting more colors. It is so cute. They have it with the black trim, the brown trim. Never seen anyone with this bag before. All I know is I've never seen this bag before. So it kind of felt more special when I found it. Yes, she is absolutely gorgeous. This is the back. You can't tell me she's not cute. Look at this chain detail. Perfect summer spring bag. I put the chain on. She is so pretty. I love her. Like, look at the trim. It's kind of like an ecru. It's like a beige white ivory, so it's not super white. And the chain is just a luxurious gold. Like, it's not too gold. It's not too, you know what I'm saying? She's pretty, baby. She's a pretty baby. And then just with the monogram, I just feel like, honestly, with all the bags in my collection, this is nothing like I really have right now. So when I saw her, she is just, honey, she is divine. So here's the wallet portion. From what I can tell, the snap doesn't seem to be magnetic, like you have to push it in. Oh, and I love that it has like a zipper portion. That way you can keep, some stuff in there. It's in like a little Gucci, maybe care book or something. Even though it's a small bag, you get like 2 sections. I have big bags where you don't get 2 sections. I love sections or portions in bags, or different compartments, as I should say. I love that. I don't know, I love compartments in bags. So this is like the first compartment. Here you go, that's a better angle. And then she has this little zipper detail where you wanna maybe keep, I guess you can keep your cash here too, because she has this little flap right here. Or you can keep your cash or whatever you wanna keep back there. And then it's all these little like booklets that came in. She fell on the floor, yeah. Came inside on how to, 2 booklets, 3 booklets. I don't know why we have 3 booklets. Maybe they're in different languages. So 3 booklets, a little bit of tissue paper, and I guess the serial number. So the little tag and serial number, some smell good stuff. So all that stuff came inside. Like, my first unboxing is going really messy. Still get a cute chic look because it's not too oversized or too big or overbearing. I'm obsessed with a wallet on chain bag, and that's because you still get the mini bag with it not being micro mini. I don't know about y'all, I'm not super on the micro mini trends, because for me a bag still needs to be functional. I don't have a couple hundred or thousand to waste on a bag that I can't even fit my lip liner in. And with this chain detail, I feel like it just elevates any look and makes you look super classy. Tell me, when have you seen someone with a designer bag with a gold chain that didn't look classy? I feel like that's classy tip number one, besides being clean or something. I'm not a big fan of this black trim right here. I'm just seeing that. I guess that's where it's like comes together on the bottom. So it has that on both sides. She is perfect. I love her. So that's about the size. Width-wise, if you're looking to get into luxury but you don't want to spend too much, go with the wallet on chain bag. I am telling you, it's usually at the lower end of the price spectrum, and also it's the cutest and it's the most versatile and functional bag. I love wallet on chain bags. Speaking of, another reason I love wallet on chain bags is you can wear them a lot of different ways. You can transition her from day to night. So there we go. I just wanted to get her adjusted. And then we have a little shoulder night bag. Like, girl, stop playing with me with this song. Like, she is just, So I just love the fact that you can just, like, she is so, you can't tell me she is not cute. So I don't know if it's new for the season. I don't know if it's some type of re-release. I've never seen the bag before. I'm assuming it's a part of their new, maybe spring summer collection. And she is nothing like I have already in my collection. She just looks super classy. Like, she's gonna elevate any look, whether it's a basic look or a dressed up look, especially for spring or summer. Like, she is purse. She is so cute. Hold her in your hands. You can wear it like this. Let that strap go and wear it like a little longer. So it's a longer, like, little shoulder bag, okay? It could be like a little kind of like fanny / shoulder thing if you want to wear it like that. And also, so we can wear it as a longer chain bag, crossbody. Yeah, she's cute, boo-boo. Yeah, I could wear it like that, and I feel like this is perfect, like, daytime, little workout outfit, running to get your Starbucks. But even though you look a little funky, you still cute. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's, like, I feel like it just elevates your look. And then, of course, you can always wear it on one side. So, like that, which is always a classy look. I'm obsessed with that little Hillary Banks 90s chain bag look. I always thought that was so cute and classy, which is another reason I'm obsessed with a wallet on chain. I feel like she just checks all the boxes. Here is the receipt. I don't know if people do the receipt first or after. So here's the receipt. It says Manika Beverly. You guys know my name anyway. So there we are. So this bag retails for $9.40, and after tax here in LA came out to $1,029.40. So I don't know if you guys care or want to see all that, which honestly wasn't that bad. When I saw this bag and I was like, that's how much it is? Honestly, I was shocked that this bag was only $940. To me, this bag looks like it's worth a lot more. I prefer this bag than a more expensive bag because I love the size of it, and I love the fact that I can wear it many different ways versus one of their higher end bags that I can only wear one way. So to think that this is cheaper than a higher end bag is kind of like crazy, because you can do so much with it. Like, you can wear it so many different ways. So it's just like, maybe I shouldn't be saying that before they raise the price of this bag. Another thing about wallet on chain bags, let me see if I can do it with this one. Not only can you wear it all the ways that I showed you, say you're doing something like you're at a festival or you're at like Disney World where you want your hands to be free, you usually can wear them as like a little fanny pack as well. So let me see if this one works that way. How to get this in fanny pack mode. So usually what I love about wallet on chain bags is you can actually adjust the straps and wear it as a fanny pack as well. But being that the straps aren't hooks, being that they attach with this little rod, it doesn't seem like two rods can fit in one hook. I don't know if I'm saying that right, or at least I haven't figured it out. I was a little nervous because I didn't open her up right away, and I'm glad there wasn't a lot of tissue paper. So something I learned is I thought I was doing the right thing when I first got my luxury bags. I would store them back in the tissue and back in the box, but apparently you're not supposed to do that because the tissue in the box absorbs all the moisture out of the leather and it could actually damage your bag. So I think it's my Pochette Felicité from Louis Vuitton. Brand new bag, pretty new, like not that old at all, but because I kept storing her back in the box in the tissue paper, it absorbed the moisture in the leather and it looks like old paper, for example, so the end of the bags are starting to fold up. So I was a little nervous because I didn't unbox this right away, but luckily there wasn't too much tissue in the bag. I'm guessing that's the reason there wasn't too much tissue in the bag. So that's a tip, that's something I learned. Proper way to store your bag is just in the dust bag. Even when they bring it out to you in the store, you notice they just take it out the dust bag. It's not like it's already packaged and boxed up. So even at home, you either just want to leave her out or leave her in your dust bag. You don't want to put her back in the tissue and in the box because the box and the tissue, or basically the paper, is going to absorb the moisture in the leather. I don't know, but it happened to me and I actually damaged one of my most favorite bags, which I'm still gonna wear because I do not care. But I'm just saying, going forward, I definitely know what to do and I want to share that tip with you guys. So obsessed with the wallet on chain bag. Like I said, I feel like it's so versatile, it's so functional. It's on the lower end of the price spectrum, which is crazy to me because you can wear it day, you can wear it night. You get so many looks out of this purse. It's not a super big, gaudy bag that gets in the way of things. I feel like she's small, but she's not too small. Does that make sense? Like you can still fit important stuff into this. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my first unboxing. I can't wait to wear this purse. I have so many looks planned for spring and summer. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you don't miss that. And comment below, let me know what you think, or if you plan on trying her out, or if you have any questions. And please subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss any of this new content coming up. I have a lot more hauls coming up. We're also going to get into a little home decor. Just wanted to give you guys a preview of what I have going on, but all this behind me will be explained as well. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of that. I hope you guys enjoyed my first unboxing, hopefully the first of many. Please thumbs up this video. That's how I'll know if you like this unboxing and you want to see more. And thank you guys so much for watching today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!